YouTube, tonight I'm going to be working on the 82 Collectors Edition. We're going to change the rear glass struts. Okay, so I got a set of new struts. They're not identical to the factory ones, but they'll work. They're made for this car, supposedly. So basically, you have to pull this pin and the one up there, and these should pop out. I'm hoping. So let's you just pull this pin here. I did that by hand, but normally I'll take a pick to it. Anyway, you pull this out, this little pin, and it should pop out like that. So what I'm gonna do is leave that there for a second. I'll pop out back in. Okay, this is the new strut. Basically, they just push on. This is a different design than the other ones. These have clips that pull out, and then you pull them out. The other ones had those little metal clips. I had to fight to get this one off over here, so I pulled this side thing just so I can get to it from there, and that's where we are. So I pushed them on. I'll show you on the other side how I got this off. I had to get a screwdriver behind it and kind of twist and pop until it came out. I'm going to show you better on the passenger side. You can see there's a little metal clip right here. See that right there? That comes off. And then down here there's a metal clip there. That comes off, and then you have to kind of really manhandle the bottom one. The top one comes off pretty easy. The bottom one was kind of being a pain in the neck. So I'm going to pull it, then I'll come back on. Well, I'll pull the clips, then I'll come back on. That clip around, it goes down into the side of this, so it actually drops in. So when you get it, you have to kind of pull it up, and then it should pop out. See, again, that unclips and then it pulls up, so you can see that it has to pull up out of the side, and then again you just pop these out. Again, that piece there, and then it kind of pulls out. Those bottom ones fight a lot more than the top ones do. These just push on. The clips are there already. Forget to put this back on. It's positioned correctly, so you make sure you get it back in. Turn this up, just pop it. Put the window. There you go, that's on. Put these little screws back. A lot nicer when you don't have to hold the window to get in the back. So that's really it for that. And then just obviously they come down, but when that window pops, the window should come up by itself. You really shouldn't have to put it there. So now collector's editions, This is really just to clean the back glass. There's really no other reason to get back here. It doesn't really help you to try to put things in the back, but it's nicer than regular C3s. This is really the reason why it's worth having this back window on a C3, because if you've ever done it on like a C3, you'll know washing the back window is not fun, but on this one it's very easy. The other good thing with these back windows is just vacuum in the car. So, a little easier just to get in, do back here. On a regular C3, this is like next to impossible. So that was struts on an 82 Collector's Edition Corvette rear window. And again, so that should be good. And hopefully when you pull this, the window pops up like it's supposed to. And it does. So again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up, ring the bell, do everything you're supposed to do on YouTube to get us to where we need to be. Thanks a lot. Bye.